Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not aware already, my name is Tyler Ray, and I filmed this makeup look here for you today. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, time to hydrate my dry skin with some SMASHBOX primer water. So that my foundation doesn't sink into my skin, I'm going to be using my Dr. BRANDT Pores No More in the areas where I feel that they need to be. Now using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, I'm going to be putting that all over my face. I'm starting to run out of it. I swear when this runs out, I will use a completely different foundation. Now I'm keeping it full coverage with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to be putting that under my eyes as well as other areas of my face to highlight and just to even out the under eye area.
It's the unknown, the unknown.
I'm going to set my under eyes and highlighted areas of my face using my incandescent light from the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. Yeah. Now I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with Radiant Light from the palette. Now I'm bronzing up the skin with Dim Light from the Hourglass palette, and I'm just going to be putting that in the usual areas of my face. Cheeks, temples, forehead, chin, as well as down my neck, just so it blends all together nicely. Now for contour, I'm going to be using my HOOLA bronzer from my CHEEKATHON palette by Benefit. And I don't know why I don't use this shade more often. It's one of those things, every time I use it, I'm like, oh, this is really nice. And then I put it away and I completely forget about it. Now I really need to use it more often.
It's time to go away into the
To highlight my face, I'm going to be taking my ABH Sun Dipped palette, and I'm going to be taking the 3 shades Summer, Moonstone, and Tourmaline. Now to blend everything together, I'm going to be going in with the blush shade Dallas by Benefit. Now I'm going to set my base with my L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. Now I'm taking my ABH Prism palette and I'm taking the shade Unity and I'm putting that in my crease from inner corner to outer corner, as well as putting it in the outer corner of my lid. Now I'm taking the shade Eden and I'm doing the same thing that I did with the shade Unity, from outer corner to inner corner in my crease, and then outer corner to about halfway onto my lid. And I'm taking just a little bit at a time and building up the color as I go. Now I'm taking the shade Saturn and I'm doing the same thing that I did with the previous 2 colors, but with Saturn I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower so that above it you can see Eden and above that you can see Unity.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go.
I do grab my brush that I had Unity on and I go back with it just to blend out just a little bit more. For my lid color, I'm going to be taking the shade Eternal, which is such a beautiful copper with some pink and purple reflex in it. Oh my goodness, I just love it. So yeah, I'll be putting that in the empty space of my lid and blending it with my finger. And it's lower lash line time. So now I'm going to be taking Unity and blending that all over my lower lash line from outer corner to inner corner. Now I'm going to be taking Eden for my lower lash line, and I'm going to put that a little bit higher up than I did Unity. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with Eden, putting again from outer corner to inner corner, but just really, really tight to my lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to be taking the shade Lucid, and I'm going to put it on the empty space in the inner corner as well as a little bit below until it meets the lower lash line shades. Now I'm going to be grabbing Pyramid, and I'm just going to put that right on top of Lucid. For my brown bone, I'm just going to be going back into the ABH palette and taking the shade Summer. Now I'm going to be taking my favorite lash primer of all time, which is my Lancome CILS Booster XL, and be putting that all over my top lashes, the front, behind, to the side.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me.
Now with my favorite eyelash primer comes my favorite mascara, which is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. So I will be putting that all over my top lashes and all over my bottom lashes. Now taking my nub of a lip liner, my NYX Peekaboo Neutral, I'm going to be lining my lips as well as filling them in.
Yeah, I know it's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go away into the light.
Now for lips, I'm going to be taking my NUDESTIX in collaboration with I Am Karen O in their Magnetic Matte Lip Formula in the shade Baby K. I absolutely love this lip color. It is coral, but just with a little bit of an edge. Now I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil in Base 2, and I'm going to be using that nude shade to open up my eyes that much more. Now time to finish it off with my L'Oreal setting spray. Well guys, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.